This is the worst CPU installation, CPU cooler installation of all time. What's going on, guys? Cool Chain Computers here, back again with another video. And today we're going to be doing a 6-month update on my dad's PC. So, I know I didn't do a video on it, but I did build my dad a computer over the summer of 2020, and it's been about 6-7 months since then, so I decided why not give it a nice cleaning, and I figured since it's using the Athlon 200GE stock cooler, I'm going to switch that out with the Wraith Spire to, Wraith Stealth to, get a little bit quieter performance and better performance. So let's start first with some cleaning, because this boy's a little dusty. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you need to clean your computers. Alright, now that we got the system all nice and dusted out, we're going to swap this stock Athlon cooler for this much nicer Wraith Stealth cooler. So, I'm sorry to interrupt your pretty cool little montage. I know I'm a great editor. But when I was unscrewing those stock AM4 mounting plates, I didn't realize, and I kind of forgot, most cases have a big CPU bracket cutout on the back side of the motherboard tray in a case. So, I didn't realize that, and it fell in the back. So now we gotta open up the back and yeah, we gotta try and find this thing. Alright, so I have concluded after hours of scientific research that we're just gonna have to try and mount this thing standing up. So, let's see how it goes. Where's my screwdriver? It fell. No. This is the worst CPU installation, CPU cooler installation of all time. I got part of it on.
That's what she said.
It's on. Okay, that's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and not how I'd recommend you install a CPU cooler, but you know what? We got it on. Alrighty, after all that building there and the struggle to get that freaking cooler in, let's see if it's all working here. Flip the power supply. Alright, and alright, fan spin. Let's turn on our monitor here. Come on. You getting power, bud? There we go. Hey! Oh wait, that's it's not Del Pluto. There we go. Look at that. She posts. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. And with that, I want to thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to do comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.